So hi everyone, in this video we will learn about data hiding and printing objects in Python. So here we have a class, my class, and we have a hidden variable. So when we use the double underscore, the, the attribute becomes hidden. So it cannot be accessed outside this class. It can only be accessed inside the class. Here we have an add function where we are taking the previous value and incrementing it. So now let us run the program and see. So when we add 2, we get the output as 2. When we pass the 5, we get the output as 7. But when we try to access the hidden variable outside the class, we get an error since it is an hidden variable. So to access the hidden variable, we have this syntax. This is for accessing hidden variable outside the class. So when I run this, I will get the output as 10 without any error. Now let us see about printing object in Python. So printing object gives us the information about the data we are working with. So here we have a function where we have a and b, two variables, and we have a REPI method and STR method. Mostly the two methods are used in Python for printing objects. So this is the object that t is equal to test, and we pass the argument as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will take the value of a, and 5, 6, 7, 8 will take the value of b. So this calls the str function, and in the square bracket it calls REPI method. So when we run this, we get the output. This is from str method and this is from REPI method. In case if we do not have a str function defined, we call the REPI function without any square brackets. So when we run this, we get the output. In case we do not have a str function or an REPI function, it takes the default value and prints out the location. So this was all in this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.